Guys, I done a yarn haul with Ocean Knits recently for Ocean Fibres, and I thought I would pop on and give you some more yarn hauls. So all throughout my life my dad used to buy me advent calendars. I am 28 now, so some people would say that that's too old for advent calendars. However, I say you're a Scrooge. So for the past 3 years he hasn't sent me one, because prior to the 3 years he was sending me chocolate advent calendars, and I went vegan, and then I was like, oh, I don't eat chocolate, and then he was like, okay, you spoiled little bitch, I won't send you any. So I didn't get any for 3 years, but this year is different because my dad has pulled through with a yarn advent calendar, and I can't tell you how excited I am for this. Okay, so this is from a Australian. Oh, I don't know if that's going to be a good angle. Hopefully it's a good angle. Let's move it up a bit. There you go. Okay. Hi guys, I done a yarn haul with Ocean Knits recently for Ocean Fibres, and I thought I would pop on and give you some more yarn hauls. So all throughout my life my dad used to buy me advent calendars. I am 28 now, so some people would say that that's too old for advent calendars. However, I say you're a Scrooge. So for the past 3 years he hasn't sent me one, because prior to the 3 years he was sending me chocolate advent calendars, and I went vegan, and then I was like, oh, I don't eat chocolate, and then he was like, okay, you spoiled little bitch, I won't send you any. So I didn't get any for 3 years, but this year is different because my dad has pulled through with a yarn advent calendar, and I can't tell you how excited I am for this. Okay, so this is from a Australian business called VADA Blue. If you don't follow them already, you should check them out. They don't just do yarn, they do fibres for weaving, and I call it macrame. Some people call it macrame, but I call it macrame. So that's what I mean, macrame or macrame, you decide. And yeah, they're really beautiful. They're only a small business, so I'm excited that we got one from a small business rather than a commercial one. And yeah, I can't wait to film along the process of every day and open them with you. I have already unsealed the box. I promise I haven't opened anything yet, and I'm not going to. I'm not going to promise that. However, when I was younger, I did used to find my Christmas presents and unwrap them or open them a little to see what they were, and then that resulted into my mum hiding them around neighbours' houses and in places that she thought I wouldn't find, but I still did. So having this in the house is going to be very hard to not open it, so I might have to get my partner to hide it for me. But I have opened the actual box. As you can see here, I've got a cute little Christmas card from Sarah, who I'm guessing runs the business. It's got like a little Christmas tree decoration, and it's been wrapped really cute. She has put a little note in that says, welcome to your fibre and yarn Christmas advent calendar for 2022. In your box you'll find 25 yarn and fibre wrapped packages. Each package has been numbered for you to open them on the corresponding morning as you count down the days until Christmas, starting on the 1st of December. Now, I'm gonna post this video pretty soon after filming it, and today is the 11th of November. So yeah, you're gonna have to stick along to see if I don't open them before the 1st of December, but we'll see. You'll also find some bonus items as you unpack, which you are welcome to unwrap whenever you see them, so that technically means now, doesn't it? At the base of the box is a sealed list of all the items included in your order. Even though there are some items that you're unsure of to begin with, leave this list till the end so you don't ruin any surprises. Now, I know a lot of people love surprises. I don't like surprises, but I'm going to allow this to be a surprise. My mum's like that. Like my mum every year, I'd try and surprise her with a present and she'd love it, but she'd be like, oh, it's not from my list, because normally she texts everyone or she says to everyone, I want this, can you get me this for Christmas? So she knows everything that she's getting basically. And I am unfortunately developing into my mother every single day, and I am exactly like that too. But I am going to leave it a surprise. And it says that if you follow us, that you can like follow along to open each box, because they will be posting stuff on their social media, or you can tag them as well. So I'm hoping that I'm going to open it, so I can open this right. I am hoping that you stay along and open every single one with me. I will be posting all the shorts on my Instagram. However, this is going to be posted onto YouTube, so I will post. I think I can post shorts on YouTube now. But look at this little cute decoration for the tree that I don't have. Oh, it's so cute. So I've already found number one, and it feels like a scheme. Oh, can't deal. And that looks like a surprise one. So yeah, okay, I'm gonna have to pack it away and take it away. Yes, so if you want to follow me and follow along with my advent calendar, then you can click subscribe to look at my short videos, or you can follow me on Instagram at SunflowerRaes, IES at the end of sunflowers. And yeah, see you soon.